Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today our group will be present about Uitm Jobshop. First of all, let me introduce our group. This is my friend Muhammad FAISOL bin BAHARI and my name is Muhammad AZRUL HISHAM bin HAMBALI. So if you can see, this is our table of content. Welcome to Uitm Jobshop, the ultimate career development and placement platform by University Technology Mara, designed to bridge the gap between academic life and the professional world. Uitm Jobshop is here to guide you every step of the way on your career journey. Whether you are a student searching for an internship or a fresh graduate looking for your first full-time job, Uitm Jobshop is your go-to platform of opportunity. Horizon scanning is a powerful tool used by Uitm Jobshop to evaluate the external environment. This systematic process identifies emerging trends, challenges and opportunities that influence that platform's success in connecting students with the professional world. To ensure Uitm Jobshop stay relevant, we analyze key elements of the external environment, technological trend, economic factor, social culture shift, political consideration and industry demand. First, technological trend. The rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning is transforming recruitment. Advanced feature like applicant tracking system, data analytics, and personalized job machine are reshaping how platforms like Jobshop operate. Next, economic factor. The global job market is recovering post-pandemic with a shift toward gig and freelance economy. However, budget constraint and funding opportunity remain crucial consideration for educational job platform. Next, social culture shift. Graduate today increasingly prefer remote and hybrid work arrangement. Employer in turn are emphasizing diversity, equity and inclusion in their hiring practice. Political and legal consideration. Employment law and data privacy regulation significant impact requirement platform. Additionally, policy supporting employability and internship for Malaysian graduate play a pivotal role. Lastly, industry demand. Industry demand highlight the need of digital literacy, cybersecurity and supply chain management skill. Meanwhile, traditional industry are making way for tech-centric center shaping their career landscape. Next, why this work process is selected. Horizon scanning was specifically chosen for its ability to address three key needs: anticipating change, improving decision making, and fostering innovation. First, anticipate change. By identifying trends early, Uitm Jobshop can adapt to shift in the job market and stay relevant for students and employers. Next, decision making. The insight gained from horizon scanning informs strategic planning, helping us make informed decisions to all maximize value for all stakeholders. Lastly, foster innovation. Understanding external development inspires us to integrate innovative features into Uitm Jobshop, keeping it ahead of the competition. Now we're going to talk about internal audit. Assessing the internal environment. An internal audit of Uitm Jobshop focus on evaluating its anxiety system, workflow, resource and capability to identify strength, weakness and area for improvement. They have a 4-point. First, job matching system, a digital platform that connects students and alumni with employers. Feature include job posting, student profile, employer search filter, and an application tracking system. Next, database management system. Maintain records of student, alumni, and employer profile. Track job application and feedback for reporting purpose. After that, career development support integrated career counseling survey of workshop to prepare student for job application, such as resume, writing, and interview preparation. Lastly, feedback and reporting system. Collect feedback from user, student, and employer to improve platform usability, generate analytics for your time management to monitor employment outcomes. Next, skill set available. Have a 3 points. IT and technical teams. Skill in web development, platform maintenance, and troubleshooting technical issue. Familiarity with data security and compliance protocols. After that, career counselor. Experience in guiding students on job application and career pathway. Knowledge of labor market and the employer requirement. Lastly, administrative staff. Responsible for data entry, communication with employer, and managing day-to-day operation. Next, what is a working well? Also have a 3-point. First, platform accessibility. The Jobshop is user-friendly and accessible to students, alumni, and employers. Effective and facilitate initial connection between job seekers and employers. Next, strong institutional support. Uitm backing ensure access to resource, including IT support and funding. Lastly, employer network. Establish relationship with employer, provide consistent job opportunities. Now we're going to talk about area for improvement. Have a 4-point. First, platform features. Limited functionality compared to advanced job platform like LinkedIn. Example, lack of AI-driven job recommendation or skill matching. Need for better integration or internship opportunity with academic departments. Next, marketing and outreach. Infusion promoting among students and alumni leading to underutilization. Weak employee engagement, especially with multinational company or tech-driven industry. After that, user experience. Navigation and search filter could be more initiative. Feedback indicates slow response time for support requests. Lastly, data analytics. The platform lack advanced analytics to track employment trends or measure user success rate effectively.
New model generation. AI-driven job matching and career pathway platform. New business model. Implement an AI-driven platform that leverages advanced data analytics to match students with job opportunities, internship, and career pathway based on their academic history, skills, interests, and market trend. This personalized service goes beyond traditional keywords matching, considering factors such as cultural fit and growth potential within various industries. Improvement of current workflow. Current workflow. Students manually search for job listing, often sifting through large number of unrelated opportunities, leading to inefficiencies and missed chance. Proposed solution. Introduce AI-based algorithm that automatically suggests relevant job opportunities and internships for students. This algorithm will analyze individual profile, including past academic performance and specific skills, to generate recommendation based on their profile. Benefit of this system will reduce the time spent for students to find the right job and allow employers to identify suitable candidates with efficient end-to-end virtual career fair with real-time interaction. Transition traditional career fair to fully virtual with interactive platform that allow employers and students to engage in real times, enhancing accessibility. This approach will create a global career fair experience accessible to students, alumni, and recruiters from anywhere and anytime. Improvement of current workflow. Career fairs and recruitment events are often limited by geographical constraints and the needs for in-person attendance. This leads to lower participation from international companies and alumni. The proposed solution is develop an integrated virtual career fair platform featuring live chats, video calls, and real-time resume submissions. Use chatbot and AI assistant to guide students through the process from browsing employer booth to submitting application. These include features like virtual workshop and skills training session as part of the fair. The benefit is this improved inclusivity by enabling participation from international employers and alumni and creates an interactive dynamic event that is more accessible for all users. Digital credentialing and skill verification system. Implement a blockchain-based digital credentialing system that allows students to receive verifiable digital certificates for skills, internship, and courses. Employers can directly verify the credentials of potential candidates through secure and transparent system, which help building trust between students and employers. Improve of current workflow. Verification of academic qualification, certification, and internship often require lengthy process and manual intervention. By introducing blockchain-powered platform where students can store their achievement and career experience with secure and easy access, employers can access this verified credential, thus improving transparency and trust for the hiring process. The benefit is the reduce of fraud rates and enhanced trust between employers and students. Meanwhile, students can gain more streamlined way to showcase their skills. Career Development Hub. Create an integrated career development ecosystem that goes beyond job placement. This model combines job listing and skill building opportunities into one comprehensive platform, providing students with everything that they need for career advancement in one place. For improve the current workflow, students often need to navigate through separated platforms for job listing, skills development, and career advice, which can lead them into confusion. The proposed solution is merge job opportunities, skills development courses, and networking events into one platform. This hub will also feature personalized learning pathway, recommending courses and training based on students' job goals and skill gaps. The benefit is centralized access to a complete career development ecosystem will enhance the user experience and empower them to take charge of their professional growth. Next, gap analysis for current state. For data, the strengths are a centralized platform to connect students and employers. These include data such as job posting, student profile, employer information, and application history. For weaknesses, limited data integration with external job market trends, lack of advanced analytics to track job placement success rate, and potential issue with data accuracy and real-time updates. Next, people and skill. For strength, job shop staff are knowledgeable about career guidance, meanwhile employers have access to diverse of pool talented students. Not only that, students are digitally literate and can use platform effectively. The weaknesses, efficient training in advanced data analytics and digital tools, lack of soft skill or specific skill demanded by employees. Lastly, employers may not have clear guidance on how maximize the platform potential. Lastly, for workflow process of current state. The strengths are automated job posting and application system simplifies the hiring process. Next, standardized workflow for students to apply for jobs and internship. For weaknesses, limited customization for employer, workflow efficiencies in matching students with the best fit opportunities, and lastly, outdated or rigid system architecture. Next, gap analysis for future state. For data, real-time integration with labor market trends and employer feedback. Second, implementation of predictive analytics to anticipate job market changes. And lastly, enhance data security and compliance with privacy standards. Next, people and skill. Upskilling job shop staff in digital tools and career counseling methodologies. Structure, skills development program for students aligned with industry demands. And lastly, active collaboration with employers for feedback on skill gaps. Next, for workflow process of future state. AI-driven job matching algorithm to enhance accuracy. Second, streamline process for student and employers, reducing manual intervention. And lastly, cloud-based system for better scalability and faster update. Weaknesses in the current work process. Data utilization, lack of actionable insight from data analytics, poor tracking of long-term career outcome for students. Engagement, insufficient collaboration between student, employers, and UITM staff. Lack of proactive measure to address skills gaps between employers' need. Technology, existing system might not support advanced feature like AI-driven matching. Difficulties in scaling to accommodate growing user number. Solution, by addressing current gaps through advanced technologies, staff upskilling, and improved workflows, Uitm Jobshop can position itself as a leading platform for career placement and employer engagement, fostering better outcome for all stakeholders.